Hi everyone, a few new cars in the collection. I've actually had these for at least a year, but I've been just letting them sit around. So I think it's time to review them. They're all together. This is kind of the high-end Minichamps resin collection. These two are part of what's called the Mullins Museum collection, and this is part of the first class collection, but you can tell by the base they're kind of related. These retail for $349. I'm not seeing it. I don't see what makes sealed resin worth $350. These were on sale last year or so at Diecast wholesale for $115 each, which at that price I'm not mad at. I'm just not seeing the value of $300 plus resin from Minichamps. These are all pre-war cars. First up, Bugatti 1931 Tipo 54 Roadster. As you can see, that nice little plaque. Car number 90 of 1002. I think it's a beautiful car. There's a good amount of photo etch right there. Photo etch metal, photo etch grille. I have a thing for pre-war cars. I think they're gorgeous. There aren't that many pre-war Bugatti models out. Nice detailed interior. The simulated, I guess, like wood mats. I think that is really neat. Very nice. You know, a display like this, I mean, what do I do with it? I mean, I could take it off, but I've been displaying these on the base. So a really neat piece. Next up is a 1937 Delahaye Type 145. This is car number 74 out of 1002. I don't know why you'd make a run of 1002, but I don't run Minichamps. Again, beautiful wire wheels. Beautiful red interior. And again, nothing opens, sealed resin. I just don't know what makes this worth $350. I miss the good old days of Minichamps, of everything opening and good detail, but those days seem to be gone. Beautiful car. This, though, at least I can say confidently, really not many Delahaye models built by anyone. I think I've got a Delahaye by BOS in green. So again, that's a Mullins edition, which the packaging for Mullins edition is this outer sleeve. So you get outer sleeves like this, and you get a kind of a fancy two-piece box. You open up the box, you have a little bit more art and description of what you're getting, and foam base. Pretty nice. Last up, we've got an Alfa Romeo 6C 2500 from 1939. Car number 88 of 999. I don't know why this one is 999, not 1002. Very arbitrary. Again, beautiful wire wheels. Nice photo etch grille. I mean, for resin, this is excellent resin. It's not flawed. You know, like sometimes I've been getting with, say, a top speed car. But I just think this is a bit much for non-opening resin from a manufacturer not really known for resin. Minichamps is known for, you know, die cast. So again, packaging this time for the first class collection, similar to Mullins, like I just showed. Here's your outer box. This time the two-piece box is black. Again, same thing. Some internal artwork. Very nice packaging. I feel like when you get to this level and you're paying this price, you're paying a lot for the packaging, which doesn't do much for me, but that's neither here nor there. But that's it for this week. I'm glad I finally got to show you guys these. I'm keeping them together. I think it's a nice set. That's it for this week. Everyone please like and subscribe, and have a good one.